你觉得自然是什么样子？很久以前，我们的祖先以狩猎为生，但年轻的猎人变得骄傲和贪婪，使森林里的猎物渐渐消失。后来，一位老猎人向灵体祈求帮助，灵体告诉他要学会尊重土地上的一切生灵。于是猎人聚集了众人，并向灵体发誓只猎取所需，尊重大自然的每一个生命。那自然真的只有这样吗？
A means to create fire in the forest, or even it could be a weapon for hunting prey.
To me, the stone is quite light, but if we get countless stones together, we can form a huge coastline. It's like when we get something together, we can create much bigger things.
I think there's a conflict and harmony between the nature and the human. Humans sometimes become more and more greedy. They want to get more and more on this land. However, the nature will respond with typhoon or earthquake to prevent the potential expansion of human.
觉得自然就是我即将成为它的一部分，因为石头它是在这个地球上透过千万年淬炼出来的一部分。为什么我会成为它的一部分呢？因为我们终究会化成尘土，尘土在这块土地上透过千万年的造化演化而历练凝结成这颗石头。
Every time I see a stone, I see it as something that we all want to throw away, or we all want to retrieve. So maybe in that throwing away, and maybe hitting something or missing something, and in the retrieving of it, to take further possession of it perhaps, that's how we relate.